rolling practice. This is a critical skill because statistically, after about the age of 57, 58, this thing here is the most dangerous thing in your house. So we're gonna learn how to stay round as we roll. So first up, and by the way, what you don't wanna do is to go splat or to jam or anything like that. Instead, as our back is in contact with the floor, we're gonna stay rounded. So I'm gonna hold this shape, looking forward, hips come up, and then up. You can even hold on to your legs if you like, but I'm not going all the way back to my neck. And then to advance that, I'm making kind of a V with my arms. So I have 3 points of contact here, mid-back, the other arm. Focus is still forward. As you get more confident, reach your legs up, and then you can rock forward. I'm keeping my back fairly straight as I do that. Round and then flat. And then you can advance that by going to a nice hamstring stretch. So my feet go a little bit wide, and I pop up into a flat back position. I go here, don't feel the hamstring stretch so much. Come up here, a lot of good things happen. You feel that go right in there. So right here, and then flat. Round and flat. Another big favorite is the half get up. So this time around, your legs are gonna make kind of an L. So here, 90 degrees. So what you do, you roll back, one foot comes forward, one is gonna tuck here. You don't wanna be like a postage stamp. You wanna have some room here for your feet. Come up, if you need to, you can push off from that free arm, and then pop up, or you can even hang out down here. Get a really nice hip and inner thigh stretch. And you simply roll back, switch legs. I like to curl the toes under because from here, if I need to push off, I get a lot of help from that back leg. So just curl under on that back foot, and then up, and then round. If you need to, you can push off. And I'll show you this side again. As you get better at this, you can go without the arm assist. And then one more of those. So this is a really great just hip stretch, back release. A lot of good things happen. Also, you learn how to fall and not hurt yourself. So this is some basic rolling practice.